What are you doing? Joey, what are you doing?
Okay, thank you. Go back to what you're doing.
Go ahead and go back to work. Now, Messi Marvin. You got it all. All right. How much? Is that enough? Yeah? My only sunshine, you make me happy when there's milkshakes around. You need milk. She has some milk. How much? That much. Okay, hold on now. Hold on. This is a tricky part. Yep. It's gotta go there. That's gotta go there. To the middle one. Okay, push back one, just one. There you go. Okay. Now you can turn it. You want to turn it? Oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Yeah, it happens sometimes when you make these moves. What a mess! What a mess! Hold on, let me get some milk out of here. I think we have too much milk, Zoe. Or else we have the ice cream all hooked on here.
You gonna eat a milkshake?
Tell you how to do this. No, I'm just getting some out. Come on, you're not done making this. There we go. What a mess!